Hi there, welcome back to Bytework. In this video, we'll see how we can implement custom notification sound in our iOS application using Flutter. In the previous video, we have implemented custom notification sound for Android applications. So here's the preview what you are going to achieve in this video. As you can see, when I press this button, a custom notification sound plays with the notification. So let's get into the code and implement this feature. So in the previous video, we have implemented this custom notification sound service. If you haven't watched that video, I highly suggest you to watch that and get back to this video after that. Although I will explain you whatever we have done so far. So here on the custom notification sound service, we have created an initialize method. In this method, we are requesting the permission from user using the Firebase messaging dependency. Also, using the Flutter local notifications package, we are setting up the settings for iOS and Android. We also created the handlers for background, foreground, and terminated state messages. Using this show notification method, we are displaying the notification in our application. Now, in order to implement the custom notification sound in iOS, we need to do some more setups. So for that, first of all, we need to add the platform version here, and in the runner folder in info.plist, we need to add this snippet here on the info.plist file. Now let's open our project in Xcode. To open our project in Xcode, go inside the iOS folder and open this runner.x workspace file. After opening, click on runner and add this service here. To add this, we need to click here on the plus button, scroll down and find out the push notification. Double click on it and it will add here. Also, we need to add our sound file here. So for that, let me delete this. Whatever sound you want to play when you get notification, download that. It needs to be aiff format and drag and drop inside the runner. On do that, please check this target and press finish. On finish, you'll see the file here. Now our setup is complete. Let's just run our application. The app is running. Here is our FCM token. Now, if you for testing purpose, if you press this button, we see nothing will happen because iOS does not allow you to show foreground notifications. In order to show the notification, let me do some workaround here. In the button, press, make this asynchronous and add some delay. Let's just add 5 seconds of delay. Reload the application. Now, if you press the notification button and get back to the home, after 5 seconds, you will see notification has come. So, in order to show the notification in foreground also, we need to add some code. So here, in the initialize method, After requesting the permission, set foreground notification present option, alert true, batch true, sound also true. Now if you save and rebuild our application, now if you press this button, after 5 seconds the notification will come. We can now remove the delay also. If you press the button now, the notification come instantly. So this is how we implement custom notification sound in our Flutter application using the Firebase messaging and Flutter local notification package. Thank you for watching this video. You can get the GitHub link on the description. And if you want more videos like on Flutter, Android development and iOS development, do comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.